Good morning, everyone. It is my honor to present to you our action research entitled Utilization of Joyride Tayo sa Pagbasa Among Grade 1 Pupils in Mitigating Non-Readers, collaboratively done by proponents Raquel M. Manalo, Leslie A. Maligaya, and Mary Jane L. Vergara. The COVID-19 pandemic deeply affected everyone. Most of the families suffered insufficiency of food due to loss of job. A lot of establishments was closed. Both public and private schools were also closed. That's why the education of our learners are also affected. Department of Education looks for the possible solution to continue the learning of pupils. Different modalities were implemented such as modular distance learning and online learning. Therin 2004 believed that the future success of children lies in the ability to read fluently and understand what is read. According to studies, at least 1 out of 5 students has severe difficulty learning to read. It's critical to provide remedial reading programs to help students improve their reading fluency and comprehension, especially in elementary school, because fluency and comprehension are especially important at this stage of development, and early intervention can help prevent reading difficulty from progressing. Despite all the modalities, learning, especially reading, is hard for some pupils. Enumerated some problems arise during the onset of the modular distant learning, such as pupils have no available home facilitators or tutors at home because parents are working and some are illiterate. Some were dyslexic, interchanging bo with bu, e with e, and p with d and b. No practice in reading as compared to face-to-face learning or coming to school. In order to help those struggling readers, teachers are giving different intervention. In this school year of facing pandemic, it is a great challenge for grade 1 teachers to teach reading without interacting personally with their pupils. According to Aquino and Fernandez, 2018, reading is a powerful weapon of every learners. As grade 1 pupils, he or she must know the sounds of the alphabet first before learning how to read words, phrases, and short stories. Gatdula and others, 2019, stressed out that parents who followed up at home have a great contribution to the success of their children. Reading remediation is great help for all learners at risk. The researchers think that the Joyride Tayo sa Pagbasa materials will be a great help for parents in teaching reading. Hence, this study is very timely where parents are the home facilitators or sole teachers of their children this modular distance learning. To solve this problem, Raquel M. Manalo and Leslie A. Maligaya, both grade 1 teachers, and Mary Jane L. Vergara, as authors of the study, seek the significant relationship of the utilization of Joyride Tayo sa Pagbasa materials to the reading performance of grade 1 pupils. Specifically, this study aimed to answer the following questions. Number 1, what is the reading profile of the participants at the beginning of the study? Number 2, what is the reading profile of the participants at the end of the study using the Joyride Tayo sa Pagbasa materials? 3. Is there a significant difference on the reading profile of the participants at the beginning and in the end of the study? And the last one, what action plan can be drawn from the findings of this action research? Action research methods. We use mean and standard deviation to determine the reading profile of the participants at the beginning and in the end of the study. To determine the significant difference of the reading profile of the participants at the beginning and the end of the study, we use t-test for correlated sample. Participants and other sources of data or information. The sample consisted of a total of 15 participants or 27% from grade 1 in Carmen Elementary School in the district of Silang. Respondents were selected on the basis of the reading assessment last September 2021. The sample is purposive sample, therefore, the statistics given in the analysis are indicative rather than conclusive. As revealed in the table, 5 or 33.33% of the target pupils belong to frustration level in terms of reading recognition skills before the utilization of Joyride Tayo sa Pagbasa resources. 10 or 66.67% are categorized as non-readers. As presented in the data, 15 or 100% of the target pupils belong to independent level in terms of recognition skills after Joyride Tayo sa Pagbasa resources was utilized. The computed t-value of 38.43 is greater than the critical values of 2.145 and 2.977 at 0.05 and 0.01 levels of significance, respectively, with 14 degrees of freedom. The null hypothesis is rejected. It is therefore concluded that there is a significant difference between the reading profile of the target pupils in the beginning and in the end of the study. This is the action plan that can be drawn from the findings of this action research, divided into 4 areas such as pupil development, instructional development, curriculum development, and physical facilities development.